Stop for a quick break on the road. Have a drink of water and some nuts. That's my gear set up. Got the EV side bags, soft bags. I've got one of those waterproof roll-up bags on top. Can't remember who makes that. Just got my day pack backpack on there in case I want to get off and go for a walk. Bike's running good and strong. See underneath there, but I can't see my license plate. A little too muddy. These little things I made coming down there that block the bags from bouncing into the tire. You have to be careful. The heat coming off of here can be pretty bad. It's already done some damage. I need to actually put something on there to bring the force of that hot air down a bit. This trip it hasn't been too bad, but sure can be. That new front fender I put on is doing a great job keeping the mud off. Not like that little stock one that was down below. It was constantly giving me trouble. Getting rocks caught in it and everything else. Yeah, been a good trip so far.